Today I'm going to show you how I made £1,208 on a single trade yesterday, and how I got a 60% increase on another trade that I didn't even plan, and it just happened and it just came, and I'm going to show you what that strategy is. A very powerful set and forget strategy. If you're new here, then my name is Josh Morris, and in this channel I talk about self-development, improving yourself, improving your wealth, your happiness, your relationships, and everything about your life. So if that's something you like and you haven't yet subscribed, because a lot of my viewers have not subscribed, then please hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers and you can be a part of that. And also I want to reveal soon one of my biggest losing trades. So if you want that, it's very embarrassing for me and very scary for me to actually reveal that. So if you want me to reveal my losing trades as well as my winning trades, then hit the like button and I'll know to produce that video. So let's dive into the chart. This trade was a Bitcoin trade, and it was a short trade, which means I sold and I bought back, and I did it using leverage, and I'm trading on a platform called BitMEX. So that's a lot to take in right there. First of all, leverage trading is very risky, but I'm going to show you the trade inside of TradingView, and then I'm going to show you the actual profit that I got, and I'll show you how I calculate that to the pounds. So here we are on a Bitcoin chart. We are on an hourly time frame, which means each candle is a single hour. And I use this indicator right here. This is the Fibonacci retracement tool. I have a whole nother video on that, and it's really, really cool. So I recommend checking that out. Fibonacci is one of the most powerful indicators. So I draw it from the bottom here up to the top here. And I know that the trade wants to come back into this general reload zone, it's called, this green box. It's going to retrace to that area. So that's exactly what the trade did, but I happened to miss that trade. So that's fine. I just draw another reload zone from this top to this bottom here. And I said, well, that was an extreme move. So the market wants to retrace back to the reload zone of that range, which is up here. So that's a red box because that's where it will retrace to before moving back down. So I waited patiently until the trade came in, and eventually it came in right over here at the 61.8. It immediately reversed. I got in a little bit late actually to the trade. I believe I took the trade around about this area here, and I risked up to here. But again, it didn't really matter about the risk because the trade was moving straight down. And my target was down here in this green box, because that is the area where I think the market is going to retrace to, right? The market is going to retrace to that area and then bounce off. That's exactly what it did, but I had already taken my profits. So this teaches a few important lessons. First of all, location, 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 right? This reload zone area works in both long and short positions, and it shows you the location of where the price might move or turn around. So the location tool, very, very powerful, and knowing reload zones, that's very powerful. But the next lesson here is that you want to take profits when you're hitting an opposing reload zone, right? You're hitting, if you're in a short and you're coming into green boxes, take profits. If you're in a long and you're coming into red boxes, take profits. And you have to pay yourself. So here's the actual profit that I got on that trade. You can see XBT USD, this was yesterday, 0.1634. And if I just type that into Google, 0.1634, you can see that's £1,222 right there, and that is my profit on the single trade. So that's a really powerful trade. Now I do have losers as well. I get losers very often. Usually they're not as big, and my average loser is about 3 times smaller than my average winner. And I'd love to break that down for you in another video, but I'm not going to unless you like this video. So if I get a whole bunch of likes on this video, I'll make that. And if you want to help me reach 10K subscribers, then please hit that subscribe button, because we talk about making money on this channel a lot. I sell on Amazon, trade, I do webinars and sell digital products and things like that. So I'd love to teach you all about that, but you have to subscribe to actually follow me in that process. Most of all on this channel, we talk about self-development and improving your mindset. So if you like that kind of thing, then hit that subscribe button. Now, I'm going to show you my next trade, which was really cool because it literally just came in on a text I got, right? So I get these texts from Coinigy because I'm also on this platform called Coinigy, right? It's a place where you can trade all these altcoins. So what is an altcoin? Well, first of all, the main cryptocurrency coins are Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. Now, Litecoin and Ethereum are considered altcoins. I think it means alternative coins. But there are thousands of alternative coins. As you can see, look at this list. This is just A and B, right? So just A, B, and C. You can see there's hundreds of different ones. So I happen to be in a whole bunch of them that I bought a long time ago, and I'll show you why I bought them, okay? So I'm on Zen right here. That's the one that I got the sell order automatically sent to my phone. And I had drawn a reload zone over here. Now, the reload zone is down here at 78.6, and when the chart came down to here, you can see this little green arrow. I didn't draw that, that's automatically drawn because I took an order at that level. So that's right on the 78.6 level, which is called the line in the sand. Now, obviously I had set my risk to somewhere down here because once I'd taken that level, it never hit my risk. And these trades are slightly different in that they're such small trades. I think I put like $10 on this, so really not that much money, but they're such small trades that I don't actually put a stop loss because I'm willing to let the $10 go. If I lose $10, big deal, right? But what generally happens is I put a sell order, and right here I wanted to put a sell order at a location which I thought the market was going to come back to, and the 50% level is usually a place where the market will retrace to according to WD Gann. So the market came all the way down, I set my order, and then I set my sell order at the 50% level. Now, I just left it, right? This is a daily chart. So this is how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, almost a month. And I just left this trade alone. I just left it completely. And yesterday I get a text that says a sell order has completed on Zen USD. And I was like, did I actually order anything on Zen? Interesting. So yes, I had, and I came over, and what happened, and if you look at the 1 hour, you can see that the market came all the way up, and I actually have to go to maybe a 30-minute over here. Yeah, you can see right here, the sell order hit right on this green candle, and I came to the chart and it was just all green on the chart, right? It was such a beautiful sight because it looked like it was just screaming up, right? So it was just straight a green bar. This entire wick was a green bar. But of course, as soon as it hit the sell order, it reversed and it turned into a giant wick. So I basically sold at the top of this wick, and it was all automatic, and I didn't even touch it. Now, this is part of the reason I like altcoins. It's kind of fun. I do trade stocks and currency pairs and commodities, and of course altcoins like and of course cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. But altcoins are quite fun because they do this crazy stuff like this. Now, I want to get into more stocks, penny stocks and smaller stocks like that, because I've been seeing a lot of people getting great profits on that. So I want to jump into that. But let me tell you a couple of rules for the altcoins. So if you see an altcoin and it's gone up and down like this, but it's at the bottom end of the range, right? It's at a 78.6 level. So you can see right here, if we would have drawn from the bottom here, if we would have drawn from the bottom here, and I'm just messing this around, but it's close enough. Maybe from this bottom is better, but from this real bottom, from this wick down here, you can see that the market comes down to these 78.6 levels. Literally on the dot, this 78.6 level was hit, and then it just flies, and you can make so much money on just taking these trades down when it's in the dumps, I call it, when it's in the dumps. And this would have been a 356% profit, right? And I did the same thing here. When it screamed up here, I thought, okay, where's this market? When it comes back down, where do I consider it in the dumps? And right here at 78.6 level, it was in the dumps. Now, I could have taken it a little bit lower, but I didn't even see it. But even still, you can see I took it in the dumps and it went up. Now, am I going to get long in this trade now? Hell no. You can see it's still going up. If I wanted to actually get long in this, if I wanted to short this market or get long in this market, I have to wait for this to finish. So wherever this comes up to, let's say it comes up to this 78.6 level, I'll say that I'll get back in down here at this 78.6 level, which happens to be a break of this W shape, which I have talked about in previous videos, and I'll make that yellow so you can see it easily. That's a W shape, and that's a great place to get in to a market. Now I'll talk about that in a different video. I'm gonna end this video here just so I can keep it short and sweet, so you can get some quick value, so you can see that I'm making these trades and it works and it's fun, and I just like making money from trading. So if you enjoy videos like this, please hit the like button. It really helps me and the growth of this channel. And if you actually did enjoy watching this, then that shows me that you liked it. And if you want to see one of my failed trades as well, I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers, at which point I'm going to show a big reveal of all of my winners and all of my losers. And trust me, I got a lot of losers, so it's very embarrassing, but it'll be exciting for you to watch. So join me on this journey to 10,000 subscribers, and I'm so happy that you're here with me watching this. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and have an amazing day.